friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to stop notification memories for a certain date on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that, click on Memories. Then press on this icon. After that, click on Dates which shown below here. Here you can set start and end time from those icons. Let's press on start icon and select which date you want. Let's make it 3, and after that press on OK. And then press on end date. Press on 17 for example. After that press on OK. Then tap on save. Now you already set a certain date which you want to stop notification. If you want to add a second certain time or period, just you press on add new date range and then make the same steps. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to stop notification memories for a certain date on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.